How we make a magnetic discovery jar. Paper clip, scissors, tape, stick, magnet, a jar full of water. Paste the magnet and the stick together with your tape. A magnetic wand. Add the paper clips into the water. You can take all the paper clips without touching the water. A magnetic discovery jar is a sensory activity for kids. And 2 magnetic wands. They discover the force of the magnetic field with a magnetic wand. It's more interesting when you use 2 wands. It's great when you have a challenge to see who will have more paper clips.